Heavy rain.
Where has there been heavy rain and strong wind within the radius?
And heavy rains flooded the east side of Pittsburgh.
Heavy rains will continue into the night with destructive winds.
Hurricane-force winds and heavy rain.
From very, very heavy rain to light rain to falling snow.
During times of heavy rain or the snow melt, we run a risk of overwhelming the wastewater treatment plant.
So in a heavy rain, this is going to soak through. So hopefully by washing it, we will reinvigorate and make it better. Oh.